What's going on? Ran over my toe. Let me start that again. What's good? Weekly analysis today. Asian session open. Strong push. Strong push up. Bullish. We're looking like that change of structure happened, and fuck my talking. Let's get right into it. Command Shift 5. Hopefully this works. I freed up storage. Should be going now. Hey, we're good. Okay, what do we got looking at? Let's have a look. Let's okay, let's get out of that. By the way, I'm thinking about NQ and SPX. I don't know what this stuff means yet. I'll figure that out, but we might get started in trading that stuff too eventually, so we can get an Alpha's futures account. Anyways, that's besides the point. We're getting way too out of it here. Let's have a look at gold. We're bullish. We are making higher highs, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Push up, push down, push up, push down, push up, push down. Yeah, we're making higher highs, higher lows. We kind of had a weird one here, but we're still doing it. Now, this could be if we close here, let's just stop with that crap. We don't need to look at the charts right now. It's not a big deal. Let's check the news. That is our main goal right now, is the news. Tomorrow, CPI, but not for our currency. We're good. Nothing. We can trade tomorrow. The 5th, which is Tuesday. We're good Tuesday. There's a little bit of PMI, but should be okay. 11:30 a.m. Maybe we can wait till after. We'll see what happens in the time. But I don't know too much about that. Let's do a little research. What is ISM service? Let's just do this. Let's copy and paste it into here. Services PM. What is this? Let's get a little bit of information from us. Non-manufacturing. So it's a non-manufacturing index, now called Services PMI, index used to assess the performance of services companies in the U.S. Surveys for foreign purchases, supply managers, non-manufacturing. What is the meaning of that? It's an economic indicator representing the rate of expansion of contraction of a specific sector. Now, those big words to you, because they're big words to me, such as manufacturing, services, construction. I need to learn about these things and what they are. So, Purchasing Managers Index, which is what PMI is. Index used to assess the performance of services companies in the U.S. So does that mean the Fortune 500 companies? I don't fucking know. We'll see. Let's see. Ooh, look. How does ISM Services PMI affect gold? The high PMI above 50. Does it mean like the forecast? Oh, look at this. So it's been above 50. Previous was above 50. Indicates that the U.S. economy is expanding, which should be bad for the gold prices. That's good to know. So basically, Tuesday, we can expect that to short. We can short the market. Actually, really depends because we don't know what's going to happen. Let's take a look at this folder, actually. PMI. Let's see what the previous ones have been. Mostly over 50, look. Over 50, over 50, over 50. So at 11:30, maybe we can short. At 11:30, on August 5th, maybe we can short the market. We'll see. We'll see. I gotta stop talking with my hands like this. Really is kind of pissing me off. There's PMI everywhere. But it's actually bad for gold. And low PMI, below 50 signals economic contraction, which should support the yellow metal. Wow. What does the PMI do? Protects the lender, not you. If you stop making payments on your loan. Ah, I see. That's private mortgage insurance. That's not. Anyways, so PMI is, purchasing. I'm not going to remember that. Purchasing Managers Index is what PMI is. Okay. Let's see. So if it's above 50, it's good for gold. Or sorry, it's bad for gold. Jesus. The high above which should be bad for gold. Okay. True. So high PMI, bad for gold. It's good to know. It's good to know that stuff. Let's keep going. We can trade that daily. We'll short it. Nothing. Crude oil inventories, FOMC, daily speaks. It's all yellow folders. There's no impact. Nothing crazy. We're good. What's this day? August 6th. That's a Wednesday. Thursday, we have nothing again. Shouldn't be bad. This is all yellow folder. We should be okay. So that seems good. Friday. Unemployment change, unemployment rates. Let's have a look. Or employment change. Oh, it's Canadian. It's not the US. We're good. PPI, CPI, that's different currency. We're good. But it's cool how it shows like the sessions here. See that? Like right now we're in Tokyo session begins in 35 minutes, 9:30 p.m. your time. What time would it be here for this? Begins in how long? This is Asian session. Where's Sydney? That's Australia, isn't it? Australian bank holiday. So, oh yeah, look. So that's London, 4:30 a.m. my time. New York, 9:30 a.m., which is 8 a.m. I think I'm going to change my time zone. Time zone, UTC. I got to put it to New York. We got to put to New York here because I need to know. GMT minus 2:30. Isn't that in over here? There's no GMT. It's all fucking. Let me do this real quick. Maybe it's something that you could look at as well. But I need New York. Let's find New York. Because that's what I've been using is New York's time on my trading view. So now we can really see when the sessions are. Because that's still one thing that fucking confuses me. Atlantic time. New York time isn't there. It's UTC. This is all GMT. No, we need UTC. It's fine. It's not there. But it's cool to know. 9:30 my time, which is 4:30 a.m. We're not doing that right now. I don't even know where I am. We're good all week to trade. Maybe we can short that PMI on Wednesday. We can maybe short PMI 11:30 on a Wednesday. Let's write that down. Yeah. So let's just chat about the market now today. Now we can see news left this monster imbalance of which actually inversed this here. I was thinking price kind of wanted to come up in it, but then shot down again. Then here we were in a fair value gap, and then we said fuck it. Or sorry, no, here. It was here we were in a fair value gap. See this? Fair value gap right here. We were in it for the longest time. You know, we were getting hard rejections out of it, and then we didn't get a strong push. So I noticed that whenever we see little dojis within a fair value gap, you got to be careful. Whatever the next move happens is going to be either a continuation. So we had small dojis. There was no strong push out of it. So I didn't take a short there. Some people probably might have took a short starting here, targeted these highs. Then we took it out fully. Now maybe we're going back down, but I'm not really sure. So basically, price is not moving right now. Do you want to know why? Because Asian session doesn't open until, well, I thought Asian session opened at 6 our time, but it's not. It's actually, as we can tell if we go back here, Asian session opens in 31 minutes, 9:30 p.m. my time. That sucks. I didn't know that. So 9:30 p.m. my time, which would be 8 p.m. Now I got self figured out. 8 p.m. this time, New York time. So Asian session open right here. Now the reason this is not moving at all whatsoever is because it's a bank holiday. Yeah, we got that little move down, but there's no price movement right now whatsoever. Like, this is nothing. Now I could be wrong, but there is a bank holiday right now for the Australian bank holiday. So that's gonna help us. 9 p.m. Yeah, 9 p.m. 9 p.m. I see. So they add in London and New York, which is 9:30 a.m., which is 8 p.m. That is 3 a.m. Yeah, I got it all right. I've been frigging up Asian session. That's what's my problem. Oh my God. I can't believe it. And I can't believe no one's told me. I've just been going off like that. Fuck. That sucks. Trump trade advisor, Trump tariff rates pretty much set. 10 hours ago. U.S. trade response is pretty much set. That's public. I don't think they'll be coming in the days. Clear on CBC. Yeah, so like, I got in a daze there just then. But yeah, no, like I might take longs tomorrow. It really depends. Like, that's something that we can get into tomorrow morning, not now. I just kind of wanted to, have a little chat about weekly analysis, and we're good to trade all week. Maybe we can short 11:30 a.m. on Wednesday. So I'll catch you tomorrow on the charts. I know I'm uploading this late, but I was on the go today. I did a lot. Liquidity sweep, break structure, tap into a fair value gap, and we're gone. Good night. I will see you guys tomorrow. Make sure you subscribe because we're on a long game here. Subscribe and let's see how we can do tomorrow. New week. So yeah, you take care, and I will see you tomorrow. Subscribe and follow. Same thing. Anyways, take care. I'll see you guys tomorrow.